Fresh plant food is whole food, which is the healthiest food choice you can make, as it has no preservatives, no artificial flavors, no additives, and absolutely no unpronounceable ingredients. Fresh plant food is the richest source of key nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that prevent disease and promote great health, successful aging, and vitality. Fresh plant food comes from the earth. It's not made in a factory. Fresh plant food offers key antioxidants that fight free radicals to reduce risks for cancer and prevent premature and accelerated aging. Fresh plant food is refreshing and tasty. Eating fresh plant foods in abundance is an act of self-care. Plant-based diets are economical, especially when you eat in-season produce. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes contain high amounts of potassium and vitamin B6, nutrients that lower blood pressure. Plant foods have no cholesterol, which is of course joyous news for the heart. Fresh plant food is low in calories, and it has no added fats or sugars. Fresh plant food is good for your heart because it's naturally low in sodium. Fresh plant food supports weight loss efforts. It's very low in calories, so you can eat it in abundance. Fresh plant food is rich in fiber, which is good for the heart and digestive, and blood sugar health. Fiber also supports weight loss by keeping you full longer and preventing blood sugar spikes. Fresh plant food is nature's gift to humans, so we can not only survive, but thrive. What's on your plate?